Student project A9 is going to create a table. Now the tables are used pretty heavily in terms of there's a lot of functionality associated with the table. And we'll get into that in later classes also. But to start off with, we're going to make sure we click in the white area to unselect everything. And then we can choose the little table icon, which is right there. And then we're going to drag the fields into there. In this case, we can drag the discount type either into the bucket or into the chart itself. So I'll choose the discount type, and I'll put that into the values area up here. And then I can drop the discount amount right into the values underneath of that field, which creates my basic table. Now you can format, there's a lot of features to fix this, and we're going to go through and show you some of those formatting capabilities in a later section.